chicken Milanese. It's an Italian recipe. Stay tuned, we're gonna make it together. Please like if you enjoy our video, please subscribe and ring that bell. Chicken Milanese is made with chicken breast, flour, breadcrumbs, eggs, some herbs, salt and pepper. This is for the chicken. We're gonna serve it with a side with spinach and shallots, and we're gonna add some walnuts. We're gonna cut our herbs. I got here some dill, some sage, some parsley, very little. We're gonna mix this with the breadcrumbs and with eggs to give some flavor and some color. We're gonna cut like this in small pieces. You can use whatever herbs you like. I like all herbs, they are wonderful. I have a small garden here, I live in the countryside, and I use fresh herbs. You can use dry herbs, anything you like, doesn't matter. We're gonna add this to the eggs a little bit, and the remaining here to the breadcrumbs. Okay, just like that. Now we're gonna add salt and pepper to our breadcrumbs, to our flour and to our eggs, because we don't use salt and pepper on our chicken. Then we put some salt on the flour, some salt here on the eggs, and pepper everywhere, like this. We are pre-seasoning flour, breadcrumbs and eggs. I'm gonna mix a little bit. Now we're gonna scramble our eggs with our salt, pepper, and the mixed herbs. For chicken we have the chicken breast with no bones, anything, just the chicken breast, clean and beautiful. We're gonna cut thin in scallopini or fillets, as thin as we can. We're gonna have our chicken, and we're gonna put this side down like this, and we are doing our scallopini this way. Put our hands with the finger like this and the knife this way, easy, and we will make our scallopini. We got our scallopini, our fillets ready, and now we need to thin a little bit because they are thick. We're gonna use some parchment paper, put on top, and use this. If you got someone you don't like, you see this one, and we can use okay. We got our scallopini nice and thin. We're gonna throw them here in the flour very well, because they had to be dry. If not, the egg will not gonna stick to the chicken if we don't use any flour. And this then will be the egg. Just cover everything, has to be covered good. And now in our crumb bread here, very well, okay? Put some on top, press a little bit, like this. Good. This is all for our chicken. And now we're gonna start and cook our side with spinach, fresh spinach. We got some walnuts, some shallots over here. I got garlic clove, olive oil, and that's it. Some salt and pepper, not too much. We're gonna add some olive oil, just a little bit of olive oil, very good, extra virgin olive oil, just like that. Crush our garlic just like this, little bit. I'm gonna use it here on our oil to flavor a little bit the oil. Never burn the garlic because there's gonna be a nasty flavor. Add the shallots. Wow, this is a good smell right now. And we're gonna saute our shallots just for a little bit, not so long, because they don't need so much time to be cooked. Just a little bit, just like this. You see? And now they are already cooked very fast. I'm gonna add our spinach right now. Add our spinach here. And we're gonna mix. And don't forget to add our walnuts. Ooh. For a bit of crunchiness. I like to feel those walnuts. You know, the crunchy, very good. And cook, not for so long, just a little bit, just like that. Come here, where you go? We're gonna add a bit of salt, not too much, a bit of pepper. And that's it. These are our spinach. Our side for our chicken Milanese. That's it. This is all we need. I'm gonna take a plate. Get our spinach here. The chicken is ready to cook. We have our fillets, our scallopini nice breaded here and nice. The olive oil. We're gonna start cooking in our pan over here. But we're gonna heat the oil on around 360, 365 Fahrenheit. Has to be a medium heat, not too much and not too low, because the chicken, if it's too low and too cold, the oil will be soggy and full of oil. The oil has to be heated and not burned. That's why we're gonna get a nice color and nice crispy chicken. Now we're gonna put our chicken slowly here. Our oil is hot enough. You see what beautiful fillets. Don't touch them. Once they are on the pan, don't touch, leave them alone. We're gonna cook our fillets for like 2 minutes, 3 minutes each side. We're gonna check them to see on a gold brown, beautiful color. We don't have to burn them because they are not okay burned. Anything is not gonna be good burned. Just a golden brown, nice, don't touch. We don't touch them, just let them cook. And we're gonna turn over, cook on the other side too, and everything will be ready. We're gonna check after 2 minutes. You see the color, you see this is good. Golden brown, beautiful, nice color. You see right here, will be crunchy and nice. Our chicken is ready. You see, very nice color. Nice golden brown. Crispy. Very nice. We're gonna take out. And we're gonna prepare our plate and taste it to see what we've done here. Our chicken is done. Our side is done. The spinach are okay. We're gonna plate and taste it to see the flavors. We're gonna plate our chicken, and then we're gonna add some spinach that we made right here, the spinach. Get them on the side right here. The shallots. And we're gonna use some lemon because chicken is good with lemon. This is our plate. Looks nice, smells nice. I wish you were here with me. And this is must to do. It's a chicken alla Milanese, Italian dish. Knife and fork, we're gonna try this chicken Milanese and see what happens. We're gonna use some lemon, put some lemon here on top. Everywhere some lemon. Beautiful. And let's see what happened. It's nice and crispy. It's well made, it's juicy inside. Let's see what happened. Let's try some spinach. We got some walnuts, shallots.